What's up everyone and welcome back to Cyber Academy. In this video I will be showing you how you can install and set up Redhawk for beginners. For one, it is one of the best or one of the um, coolest authentic information gathering tool out there that you can use, and it was created with PHP. So this is another phone I'm using. It is the same Android A13 Samsung, and I just installed Termux just now without installing anything, doing any setup. I will just be installing the things I needed. Like I told you previously in other videos, all I need now is PHP, so I'm going to install PHP. Let's use PKG. Sorry. Okay, because the tool I will be working with is currently it was created with PHP, so I need PHP to actually use it. I need to install PHP. Okay, now I'll just proceed, enter, and then later on I will be posting these Python tools and how to use them, whilst I'll be giving you tutorials based on Linux also. That is navigation and other things alongside tools usage, so it can be a little bit faster while learning. Let's wait for it to complete. I think I'm going to pause now. And let's say I pause it for now. Okay, now we're almost there at 91%, and mind you, I will be only installing things I need. I'm currently installing the PHP language that I'll be using to run the tool I'll be using to showcase, which is Redhawk, and I'll be needing Git installed for just cloning the repo directly, or the file directly from the repo down into my Termux storage, so I can proceed by using it. And I have to set up my storage also. It hasn't been configured. I only have access currently to my Termux storage only, not my internal storage. Okay, let's just wait for it. And please, if you have made it this far, be sure to like, subscribe, share. You can comment if you have any issue, and we can help you. And we do have a WhatsApp group, a Facebook page, a Telegram channel that you can reach us out if you have issues you need to resolve, or something that you're stuck on learning. We can help you resolve that. We do that mostly to a lot of people in our local community. Okay, so now it's currently unpacking. Let's wait for it to complete, and then we will get into the tool. All right, and also I think it should be pkg. Let's say install git. Yeah, Mr. or Mrs. Vivian of Osu, thank you for commenting. And like I told you, you are at the right place, and we can help you out. We can help you out with some of these things that you need to know. Okay, you can reach us out for things that you need. Like I told you, you can reach us out, or you can also comment in here if you feel like that, and we can create the respective videos you need and put them online so others can benefit from that. Okay, thanks for subscribing, and also thanks for commenting. So let's go. Let's wait. 31%. I think I'll be pausing it again for it to complete. Okay, currently unpacking. It should be unpacking. And mind you, I think I will be making my next video. It's going to be or one of my next videos. It should be second or third video I'll be uploading this week. It will be on things that you need to know when getting into cybersecurity. I will be making it and explaining and giving you showcases and examples from experience, because most of us that you are getting these tutorials from, basically from this channel, Cyber Academy, we are computer science students, and we did graduate last year. Okay, so we do have experience on this field, and we have been working on some of these cases. So let's just grant this one, this setup storage, and then we can proceed by heading over to the repo. Let's go to Termux. That should do it. Okay, so I'm just going to exit this one. Exit. Oh gosh, not something bad. Good. Let's go say Redhawk GitHub. I think it was created by Maniso. Okay, Tony Shubra. Maniso was the one that created F Society and Tulex. Tony Shubra. Just wait for it to load. Click on the first link. That should get you into the repo that you can just copy the link or the URL. Oh, okay, that looks neat. I think I'll be downloading that. Oh, you can see that shit. I do watch them. Let's go. Um, let's say mkdir. Sorry, should be tool. cd tool. Now we just clone in here. Mistake. Paste. Alright, now it's cloning rhawk. Control L. Okay, I've still got it. cd underscore rhawk. And mind you, this tool also works in Linux, whatever Linux from Kali. Let's say we need to give it permission. Okay, plus x star. Now granted everything. So now all we have to do is type in php rhawk.php, and then that should start the application for us. Okay, Control L, php, followed by the name of the file, rhawk.php. See, php rhawk. Let's just say I copy this one. I'll just copy. Gosh, come here. For you to see something, copy then delete. Now just list. Now the file we are looking for is the rhawk.php. To run that file, you need to type in the php, which is the extension of php, followed by the file name and the file extension. That should get it started. Okay. Now we are in rhawk. Now it is asking us for the website we want to start scan. Now just enter the domain in here. Gosh, what's in network.com. That's the domain. And mind you, you need to select if it is running on let's say HTTP or HTTPS, which is port 80 or port 443. You can run that before coming in here. You should have done that with nmap. Okay, you should have done that with nmap, and it will be telling you if it's running on port 80 or. I think I'll be doing that later. I'll be making a video on that. These networking protocols you need to know. Okay, so now I'll use it on HTTPS. I think that's what it's on, or you can just check online. So what we need to do here, let's try to fix modules, right? Let's fix the modules that we need to fix. Let's see. Oh, okay, they're all set. Let's go again. We say our team, we are going to update the tool network.com. Number 2, now we are going to update the tool. Check for update. Okay, let's see, yes, or just use y. So let's wait for it to update. Okay, successfully update. Now let's retry again. Number 2. Okay, now we have successfully updated the tool. Now these are the options we have. We have from 1 to A, which is 14 after the 13th. Okay, or you can just use the B option to just select another site or use another DNS or domain. I'm sorry, domain that you want to scan. So now we're just going to be using the 0, which is for the basic recon. Let's run that. Now it's giving a basic scan. It will give you in the site title IP address. I think if it's running on a CMS, which is for a content management system, it will be checking for Cloudflare, which is the Cloudflare detection, robots.txt scanner. And that robots.txt files, these are used, they can be used if it's available. You can use them to actually get access into the login, not access into, but it will be telling you if there's a login page. Okay, robots.txt file found, it is available. So if you want to see that, now what we are going to do, we will be using this one, which is our team network.com/robots.txt. Let's see, I've not yet done this one for this site. If it will be some of those, okay, there is nothing here, they are blotted out, there's nothing here. If it will have been any of these let's say WordPress sites, I will be trying on them. So now press enter to continue. Let's choose one. Let's say B. I have a WordPress site I want to use, sl.eu.sl. Forgive me. This is a WordPress site, and if it has that also, it will be telling us, and then you can see how I will be going over there. Now it's been Cloudflare, no CMS. Okay, there is a robot file. There is a robot file. Now let's go. We'll be using that domain. Let's see. This should take us to the robot. Okay, we only have this one, which is a sitemap. It's available. We can use this URL to actually get access to the sitemap index.xml. Let's try another one. Okay, let's see. I think this should get us there. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Control C. Gosh. Okay, let's just use 2, and then I will be fixing that again. B. Okay, now we use 1. Sorry, 0. I mean, let's see if there's a index. What say, talk about index. If there is a robot.txt file available here. Okay, this is it. Let's wait. This should be a Jinx server. I think it should be a Jinx. Okay, sorry, it's running on Apache. Damn, nigga. Okay, so now let's wait. Cloudflare, it is running on a CMS, which is WordPress. That's a fact. You can even use the WP scan to run a test on this one. WP scan, and now let's wait for robot file. Okay, now we have the robot file. Now all we're going to do is just type in URL, or you can just copy it. You can just copy it. Okay, you can just copy it. Slash, let's take this one out. Just leave the WP admin or the robot.txt. Just use the robot.txt at first for beginners, and this is how you can check if a site has their login panel protected or hidden. Come on, nigga. Okay, now we have WP admin. So what we are going to do now is we are going to repose this with WP admin, WP-admin, and the robot.txt file was what showed us that their login panel page was open. All you need now is the username and password to brute force into this account and get access to it. That's the power of this information gathering tool. They make everything simple for you. Where the problem lies now is how you can get this username and passwords. You can either fish or then social engineer you into it. But if you have gotten access to this, that means you are 70 to 80% completed. You have completed your task. All you'll be needing now is just the username and password. So that's for that. And it also work with whois lookup. You can run whois IP lookup, grab banners, DNS lookup, subnets. It also comes with an nmap port scanner integrated, reverse IP lookup, CMS detection. It just did that with the basic scan, bloggers view, WordPress scan to see if the site is currently running on WordPress. Let's see. Use 11. Enter. That's the same site. Let's wait. Now it's scanning if the site is currently run or built with WordPress. That's a give me. These are the license files. Okay. Let's see. Find WordPress version using one of 3 WordPress version 6.8.1. Collecting version details from the WP WordPress for enable data database. Sorry, done. WordPress version information. Now we have the version. It is currently running on WordPress. So that's how you actually install and use these information gathering tools like Redhawk. As you can see, the power of Redhawk, it just gave me access directly into a login page, or panel of a site or a website that I can brute force using the URL that I've gotten or from the information I get from the actual owner or the admin that's currently running the application. Okay, so that's all for today. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, comment also if you have any doubts. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay cosmic, and please do help us by subscribing. We do need that a lot. And thanks to everyone for helping us reach our current milestone. If you made it that far, this far, sorry, we have currently hit 280 subscribers, and we are very thankful for that. Thank you, everyone. Stay blessed. Peace.